What's the crack, lads? Nasty boy Night Ride 91 back here with another video. Out for a spin today. Gonna be heading up to a bike meet. Weather's nice again, it's a bit windy, but let's see if there's any decent bikes out. Oh bro, you're mad. Time for some twisties, my friend. Yeah, you want to pull in? Alright, pull in up here, I'd say.
It looks alright when you're right, but like maybe it's inflating nasty fucking...
Watch the slant as well. Hence the flat tire. Oh damn, yeah, look at that, bro. You are pushing it on its limit. Okay, crisis averted, tire has been pumped. Let's do some twisties. Free. Jesus Christ. They feel so good. Hey. Oh my god, is that a wheelie road I think, my friend? It's a bit bouncy, bro. Yeah, no, it is a bit bouncy. Sorry. Yeah, pull. Yeah, that's flat, bro.
Hey, what's your bike too, yeah? Nah, she's leaking. Is she? Where? Yeah. Oh, you can hear that, yeah. Well, hold on. Yeah. Right there. Yes, I should have brought the R6, boy. Fucking hell, man.
Nice bike, bro. Alright, lads and lassies, we got the Menace on the 636. No, I'm only messing with that ZX10R. We have my boy on the HP4. We have Black Jigsaw on Black S1K, lol. And then we lost a friend to a puncture, so I know, yeah, true. He's gone home. Nice. I feel like Jigsaw brat with the mirrors folded. Thank God we have bikes, bro. We're going in the middle. Everybody's flashing, bro. Speed fun.
A few moments later.
GG, bro. Maybe? Oh, we are, yeah, in here. Nice. Nice. Slippy. Slippy. Yeah. Oh! That would have been GG. Are you going home now or where are you going? Home, yeah? Home, yeah? Aye, grand. So we're just gonna tip on whatever, yeah. 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 Bro, you need to adjust your chain. Yeah. Yeah. This is the right hand sharp one, and then this here. Alright lads and lassies, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.